I am 44 with hooded eyes, wrinkles and breakouts. And I am showing you my 5-minute natural makeup routine using only 6 products. No filters, let's go! Starting with Natalija High Performance Cream SPF 30. Apply generously and never forget your neck. Catrice Invisible Foundation, shade 37W. I dampen my sauce sponge with Revolution Setting Spray for that natural finish. Key tip for mature skin: tap, don't drag. Dragging emphasizes wrinkles and imperfections. My goal is even skin tone and covering spots that make me look tired. This is one layer. I am 44, no filters. Now using my small Revolution sponge for targeted areas, gently adding more under my eyes, acts like concealer. Tap and blend softly, also targeting this scar on my jaw, gentle tapping to build coverage. Essence Baby Got Bronze, shade 40 Hazelnut Hug. Super creamy, perfect for light skin. Applying higher on cheekbones for lift, top of forehead and on eyelids for natural shadow. Sides of the nose too. Blending with circular motions, always blend upwards over 40 to lift the face. Essence Baby Got Blush, shade 10, Tickle Me Pink. Smells amazing, beautiful, healthy pink. Higher on cheeks, above eyebrows, bridge of the nose for natural glow. Look how much healthier my face looks with just foundation, bronzer and blush. My eyebrows are thin and sparse, so just NYX brow glue. Brush up with a spoolie, then glue upwards. Strong hold keeps them lifted. Mascara time. Too Faced Better Than Sexy in Chocolate Brown, one of my absolute favorites. For short, sparse lashes like mine, this gives amazing volume and length, without looking spidery. The brown shade keeps it soft and natural. Finally, lips. Glossy lip mask from Makeup Revolution. Super hydrating, non-sticky, with a sheer red tint. Perfect. And that's it, a simple 5-minute everyday look that brings freshness to your face. Makeup tutorials are my passion and I hope you love this one. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.